Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains Tesla MCU screen freezing during a software update and outlines commonly documented causes and behaviors associated with the infotainment update process. During an over-the-air update, the MCU may temporarily appear frozen while background firmware files are being installed, system partitions are rewritten, or required reboots are queued. In some cases, the screen may stop responding even though the update is still progressing in the background. This video explains commonly documented causes and patterns. Some cases can vary by model year mileage or prior repairs, so this information may not apply to every vehicle. A certified mechanic or dealership should be consulted for vehicle-specific diagnosis. Verified information shows that MCU screen freezes during updates can be related to normal update sequencing, increased memory usage during installation, temporary software conflicts, or incomplete background processes that require a restart to resume normal operation. Older MCU hardware generations may experience longer screen unresponsiveness compared to newer systems, while newer software builds can introduce larger update packages that increase installation time. In some situations, power state changes, low 12-volt system stability, or interrupted update conditions such as door openings or vehicle wake events may contribute to the screen appearing stuck. These behaviors are not always indicative of permanent MCU failure and often resolve once the update cycle completes or the system restarts as designed. General guidance includes allowing sufficient time for updates to finish without interruption, ensuring the vehicle remains in a stable power state, and completing updates in recommended conditions. Persistent freezing after updates may require professional diagnostic checks to confirm software integrity or hardware condition. In summary, MCU screen freezing during updates can vary by vehicle generation, software version, and operating conditions, and does not affect all Tesla vehicles equally. If you do not understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.